So this will be our final, second division, 275mm tree felling handicap contest. Please give all our finalists a warm welcome. Down at position 9, from Clanburan, Queensland, he will start on 3 seconds. Please welcome Kerry Hewitt. Coming up the line, he will compete at tree number 3 from Deep Bay, Tasmania, also on 3 seconds. Please welcome Mitchell Doreen. At tree number 7, he will start on 3 seconds from Ulladulla, New South Wales. Please welcome Will Brook. At position 6 from Yarrowitch, New South Wales, he will start on 5 seconds. Please welcome Mitchell Scribner. At tree number 5, one of our international visitors from California, USA. Please welcome Nate Hodges, who will start from 15 seconds. At tree number 4, he will start from 18 seconds from Tamworth, New South Wales. Please welcome Daniel Clissold. At tree number 3, he will start from 25 seconds from Romsey in Victoria. Please welcome Kyle Meyer. At tree number 2, he will start from 29 seconds from Deep Bay, Tasmania. Please welcome Nicholas Doreen. Our back marker in this event, he will start from 42 seconds. Please welcome from Romsey, Victoria, Brad Meyer. We do have the all here. Good luck, finalists. Stand by for the start.
Competitors, Daniel Wells. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, let's see how we go. These boys now, as they come from the mark of 42, Victoria, we've got Brad Meyer up on number 1. As we come down towards the other end of the tree number 9, we've got one of our veterans already up into the top of the tree. He is Kerry Hewitt from Clanburan. He's on 3. So is Mitchell Doreen from Tasmania. That was Will Brooks from Tasmania and New South Wales. Ulladulla was Will Brooks up from there. We've got young Mitchell Scribner. He's got up into the top of the tree from here. New South Wales, Yarrowitch. Next to them we've got Nate Hodges coming right up all that this morning. Make sure that the ball through. There's a little bit of an opportunity for them, and they will swing those balls as they get their feet on. He's trying to put his axe out. He's going to try and put a bit of a front into the top of that tree. As they make that front, they'll dismount. You can watch here with Mitchell Scribner on number 6. Steps down, up into the top of the block now from Victoria. Brad Meyer's going to try and close that gap of a mark 42 up against the 3 of them. Will Brook and also Mitchell Doreen and also Kerry Hewitt from down on tree number 9. Now all of those fellas, as they start to make their way up to the back of the tree, we've got Tasmanian up there, Nicholas Doreen from Deep Water. He started on the mark of 29. If you've got your life, your home, your base is Victoria, Tasmania, or New South Wales, or Queensland, how about we give them a little help, a little cheer, and get behind some of these workers, ladies and gentlemen. This much the way these boys start to operate. A veteran down there on number 9, up on number 1 there. We've got Brad Meyer from Romsey, Victoria. He starts to make his run for home. Now we've got to keep our eye on what's happening with Nicholas Doreen from a little bit of a hand here. Come on, wherever you're from, Australia or around the world. Have a look at number 1 here with Brad Meyer from Victoria. Also we've got Nicholas Doreen on number 2. He's going to try and close that gap. Up on number 3, we've got a pick right under the edge of that corner with Kyle Meyer. Then we've got number 4. I can tell you from where I'm sitting, and Mitchell Scribner, he's right in the mood for all your good class rules. So he's just going to get his breath up. Who's going to be next? Brad Meyer, one of our champions, season champions, are down up against the up and coming. Let's keep our eye down there on number 9 with Kerry Hewitt from Queensland, ladies and gentlemen. Right up from him, we've also got on number 8, Mitchell Doreen from Tasmania. Will Brook from New South Wales, Ulladulla. We go up into the tree number 5. We've got Nate Hodges from California. Who's next? Number 4. Let's keep an eye on what goes on. Well, they're making a well-deserved break here. Now, we'll have a look. Is it going to be USA? Is it going to be Kyle Meyer, Victoria? Is it going to be number 7 with Paul Brook from New South Wales? Let's bring them home. Who will it be, ladies and gentlemen? Is it going to be Victoria? Is it going to be New South Wales? Is it going to be California? Keep your eye on number 5 there. He's had a blinder of the show, an absolute group. Nate Hodges from California. The events he's been in. Keep your eye on him. Still going. He's number 7 there. We've got Will Brook from Ulladulla, New South Wales. Up on number 3. Kyle Meyer from Victoria, we've got him finishing. We've also got Tasmania there. Nicholas Green just completing the honours on number 2. So as we have a look, they've brought home Kerry Hewitt. They've all come home, ladies and gentlemen. While we've got your attention, one more time on the count of 3. Let's give them a cheer. 1, 2, 3. I all appreciate that. We'll get some official placings. That was a good opportunity for you to have a look at Victoria, Tasmania, USA, Queensland, New South Wales. They all came together there. We'll make some placings official. Being a final, we'll do some congratulating. And we...
At position 2, Brad Meyer from Victoria. Position 3, the 3rd placing to Mitchell Doreen from Tasmania. And into 4th, Kyle Meyer. So we'll ask each of our finalists to take their place on the presentation dais. And as they do that, we will ask Jodie to sash our winner with a prestigious Royal Show blue ribbon, and congratulations to Mitchell Scribner. In 2nd place, receiving the red ribbon, is Brad Meyer. In 3rd place, the white ribbon to Mitchell Doreen will take that home to Tasmania. And keeping it in the family, in 1st place is Kyle Meyer. So we thank Jodie for joining us for this final and for presentation. We'll take a pic and all the family snaps. Put your hands together please, ladies and gentlemen, for our tree felling finalists.